Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the SnowRunners game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after logging in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box and now type in SnowRunner to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and you will be taken into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and once the transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the SnowRunner game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the SnowRunner game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.